Hi, to record screen on your iPad dance generation, firstly, let's add this feature to the control center to reach it easily. So if you got iOS 18 or later, then to customize control center, you need to trigger it first. And for that, swipe down from the upper right corner, and here in this hard folder, you'll see the list of your controls. To customize them, you'll need to tap this plus on the top of the control panel, and you'll see this option add a control. So you will need to tap it, and after that search for the screen recording feature in this list and then tap on it to add it to the control center. Mine is already added right here with this circle. We can resize it or reorder like that. You can also drag those corners to make it bigger, as I said before, so resize. And now we see the name of this feature, which is screen recording. So to save changes, just simply tap on any free space on the screen like that, and this is how it will look. If you got iOS 16, for example, then you'll need to go in your settings. On your left side, choose Control Center, and here you would see the list of controls and the option to add new controls to this Control Center. Now let's go back to Control Center, and here before starting recording, we can just hold this icon and select where we want to store our recordings, in photo or another app. And by the way, we can use microphone in our recordings. To do this, you'll need to tap microphone icon and you'll see the status on. The icon would be red, which means that microphone is on now. Tap again and it will be disabled. And after that, tap any free space on the screen like I did, and to start recording, you will need to just tap icon like that. And after 3 seconds, recording will be started. This tab will light up white. You would see this pulsing red icon, and also you would see it in this status bar. So now you can just record your screen, but remember that some apps such as Netflix can only record sound but not an image, and the video will be a black screen. So to stop this recording, you can either tap on this icon in the status bar and select to stop, or you can trigger Control Center again and tap this section, and you can see that this recording is saved to Photos app now. So let's open this Photos app by tapping it. Let me tap continue, and here we can see this list on the left side. So just find your screenshots and screen recordings here like that. Tap on it, and here you'd find all of your screen recordings just in this folder. But you can just find it in the recents as well. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.